रोको मत टोको मत रोको मत टोको मत रोको मत टोको मत रोको मत टोको मत सोचने दो इन्हें सोचने दो इन्हें सोचने दो रोको मत टोको मत सोचने दो इन्हें सोचने दो इन्हें सोचने दो हाय टोको मत इन्हें सोचने दो मुश्किलों
This is a warning issued by the civil authorities of Bhopal. Please remain calm and listen to the instructions to ensure survival. This is not a drill. Please remain calm at all times. A Tyrannosaurus rex has been spotted in the Ven-Bihar National Park. The animal has killed 12 people in the last 6 hours. The state authorities are trying to track down this creature. In order to stay safe, do not leave your house for whatever reason after 8 p.m. I repeat, do not leave your house after 8 p.m. The dinosaur is 12.3 meters in length and 13 meters in height. It weighs 8.8 tons, which is equivalent to 3 cars. But if you still decide to go out despite the warning, avoid open fields, forests and empty streets. If it's possible, carry a firearm at all times. This will increase your chances of survival significantly. The T-Rex can silently sneak up on its target, so be cautious of your surroundings while moving around. If the animal finds you, hide. Find shelter immediately. If you have a gun, shoot it multiple times. This will stagger the dinosaur for a bit, allowing you to escape if you don't have a weapon or there isn't any shelter nearby. Then, there is no hope for you.
खोजने दो रोको मत टोको मत रोको मत टोको मत निकलने तो दो आसमां से जुड़ेंगे